The Bajaj Avenger 400 is parked on the side of the road, its sleek design glinting in the sunlight. A rider approaches. Voiceover. When the road calls, do you answer? Introducing the Bajaj Avenger 400, built for those who seek freedom on every journey. Cut to the rider starting the bike. The deep, resonant sound of the engine fills the air. Voiceover. Powered by a robust 400cc engine, the Avenger 400 delivers unmatched performance and effortless cruising. Smooth on city streets, dominant on highways. The rider glides through a bustling city, transitioning seamlessly onto an open highway. Voiceover. Crafted for comfort, with a low-slung seat and ergonomically designed handlebars, the Avenger 400 ensures a ride that feels as good as it looks. Close-up shots of features. Digital instrument cluster, alloy wheels, and dual-channel ABS. Voiceover. Advanced technology meets timeless style. With safety and control at its core, you're ready for every twist and turn. The rider parks near a tranquil beach, removes the helmet, and gazes into the horizon. Voiceover. The Bajaj Avenger 400, where every ride is an adventure, and every destination is yours to conquer. Closing shot. The Bajaj Avenger 400 on the road, the tagline appears. Text on screen. Ride, rule, repeat. Bajaj Avenger 400. Scene transitions to winding mountain roads, the Bajaj Avenger 400 slicing through the curves with precision. Voiceover. Whether it's the thrill of a mountain climb or the serenity of coastal roads, the Avenger 400 adapts to your every mood. Its torque-rich engine ensures effortless climbs and thrilling acceleration. Cut to a close-up of the LED headlamp piercing through foggy terrain. Voiceover. With advanced LED lighting and bold design, visibility meets style, day or night. Scene shifts to the rider stopping at a roadside cafe, greeted by fellow bikers admiring the bike. Voiceover. Unmistakable presence, unparalleled performance. The Avenger 400 turns heads wherever it goes. Quick montage. The bike cruising through rain, crossing a desert, and riding under a starry sky. Voiceover. Tested across terrains, designed for the extraordinary. The Bajaj Avenger 400 is not just a bike, it's your ticket to endless exploration. Final shot. The rider cruises into the sunset, the Avenger 400 gleaming in the golden light. Text on screen. Bajaj Avenger 400. Own the road, own the moment. Take care you and subscribe my YouTube channel.